Once upon a time, on June 28, 2021 at 6 a.m., I decided to study and make a study vlog. So this is me just taking pictures and videos of the sky, because really that's the only beautiful thing to see around here. And after that, I just start doing my work. So this is the work for like a society that I'm a part of. I had to like assign some people work because I'm under a leadership position, and so yeah, it was like halfway decent work that I did, and I think it was fine. So I'm basically just writing the notes and the things that I have to discuss, and how to basically handle social media, because that's what my job is in the society. So like taking care of social media and coming up with new ideas, and like instructing the team to like come up with ideas too. And I also had to like prepare a calendar, so this is like a very rough thing that I had to do, and I am currently doing it. And yeah, that's what basically the thing is. It does take a lot of time to be a part of society, so I'd say do not take part in many societies like I did. Like I was part of 4 societies, now I'm part of 3 societies. I quit one of them because it was getting like a lot and it just stresses me out, so I had to quit one society. So one idea you can study ideally is to like keep the technology aside. I mean, I had to work on my iPad, that's why I had that. But keeping your phone or like having internet connection just like influences you in a bad way. So I suggest not to do that. If you have like online books and stuff, then it's kind of a necessity, but you can use like app blocking apps. There are some like apps which can block websites and like different applications so that you can focus. And I also have heard that a lot of people use Forest, like it's a study timer app. So yeah, I guess that works too. So there's like definitely a lot of apps and like things that you can use to stay focused and to not get distracted.
Are you preparing for CAT? Then you're in the right place. Unacademy brings you a bumper offer for CAT, wherein if you buy the 6-month subscription, you get an extra month of CAT or other MBA entrances exams. While choosing Unacademy, you not only get access to Plus subscription, but also 24/7 doubt solving support, live quizzes, structured courses and PDFs, and more. If you choose the Unacademy Iconic subscription, you not only get access to all of the features from the Plus subscription, but also a personal mentor who is a graduate from a top business school to help you. Unacademy has also come up with branded notes which you can avail on the platform by following the steps right here on the screen. So what are you waiting for? Chase your dream to excel at CAT 2021. You can also get financial assistance by signing up for the scholarship for free by clicking the link in my description box below. So go to Unacademy and use my code Samriddhi Awasthi for a 10% off of the Plus or Iconic subscription, or sign up for the scholarship. Thank you so much to Unacademy for sponsoring this video, and let's move ahead.
Today was a very busy day, guys. Very busy. I haven't been able to take rest. So now, as always, I had to do a little tree talk because that's what I do. And my dog like just sits there and watches everyone. So I think that's kind of cute. Yeah, just like he just observes everyone quietly. And the sky was so pretty. Like, I'm not even kidding. There's no filter on the screen. You can just see. I was just like posing and then I fell. So I just cut that part off because it would be like disrespectful for me to put it, I guess. I don't know. So after that, I was like doing this English thing where I am learning new English words. So like there are flashcards and there are a lot of words, so it does take a lot of time. And sometimes what you see is not what the actual meaning of the word is, if that makes sense. Like dogmatic, it's not the same as it looks. And gainsay, I learned like these 2 words and it's so confusing. So if you have like any like advice for how to learn like new words, please let me know in the comment box below, because that would be very helpful. And honestly, I think I would actually like be very grateful to you as well. I will be. I'm a grateful person. I'll be grateful to you. So just like please let me know in the comment box below how you learn new words, because I just don't want to like mug up the things, and because you'll eventually forget that. So that's why. Then I was a little tired because I like studied for 2 hours, and after that I just like watch YouTube. So this is Paul Grange's video, and I was like, yeah, let's watch it. It wasn't even in English, it was in Spanish, and I somehow just find a way to watch it. And then I was eating cucumber because I was hungry, and that's not the right way to like get rid of your hunger, because cucumber doesn't even like have that many calories, so it won't like fulfill your like stomach. So that's why. And then I was learning Spanish so that I can understand these Spanish videos and Real Madrid's commentary better. So yeah, I am getting a little better at it like day by day, but I just want to like speak it, because when I vision that, that's how I'm able to learn every day. So you just have to find the right kind of motivation if you want to study. It can be different for everybody, you know. Some of us are visual learners, some of us like are auditory learners. So I also have a video which like teaches you everything about like motivation. I'll link it here on the I button, so make sure that you check that one out. It's very useful. It is actually one of my underrated videos, but it is extremely useful, and I have like curated all the steps very very well. So that is how I basically gain motivation. So a lot of people always ask me that how do you stay motivated, and that's how I stay motivated. So yeah, that's what you can do. And like my streak actually broke on Duolingo. I was having like 45 days of streak, and then it just broke off because I was 2 minutes late. It was 11:58 and I could not finish it within like 11:59. So my streak just broke off, and then I have to start again. So that's kind of disheartening, but again, I'm not making streaks anymore because I'm just like fed up of it. So that's how you basically learn any language. Find the right kind of motivation, and like you can also take a personality test, and everyone's personality is different, so you can find ways on how you can learn it. I'm a future visionary, so basically I just learn it like that.